So I am going to show you how to create those mail merge documents that I showed you. I actually just created them from scratch by first exporting your gradebook. When I exported the gradebook, it gave me a Excel sheet here. This first row obviously wasn't like that. In order to get that, I just highlighted the entire document, clicked format as table, and then chose that one, right? So this is where I am now. With your gradebook export, you can see up here that each assignment is listed with corresponding grades, followed by your assignment points, final score, etc., etc. So I just use those rows and columns in order to link up to this Word document which I created. So this is literally like started with the blank document, typed all this stuff in, decided I would have a most recent assignments section. You don't have to have this. You can delete it. You can put all assignments. You can do whatever you want. So I did. I started with the most recent assignments. So I came over here. The most recent assignment was the exercise fitness log. I just copied this information here and I pasted it here. And I went and did that for the previous 5 assignments, right? So there are 5 assignments here. Under points possible, I put out a 10 because that's what all of them seem to be out of. And then added all of this into a table. So this is just a table. You can change the formatting of the table if you want. Under table design, you can make it look like whatever you want. In fact, that one looks a little bit cleaner, so let's just keep that one. After that, we have the final score section. I actually think maybe we should put that into a table as well. So let's go ahead and go insert table. We'll just put 2 columns, 2 rows. We'll call this final points. And then we'll call this other one final score. And we'll allow that to go ahead and match this other table here. And then at the end, what we'll do is we'll just insert all of our fields. So I'm going to do this number so that it just looks a little bit distinct. And I'm going to move it over here. All right, so basically once you have your Word document set up however you want, you can add your name, you can add whatever you want in here. It's, again, just a Word document. You're going to make sure that this is saved the way you want. And then you're going to come up here to mailings. You start in a mail merge, or letters already checked, that's totally fine, leave it there. Select recipients, you're going to use an existing list, and that existing list is going to be this document over here, the Excel sheet that we just went over. Don't just change anything, just click OK. And then what you can do is you can insert merge fields. So scholar name, insert merge field. You'll see that this list that comes up here is this row, these table headers. So it has the student's name, ID, that's the Canvas ID, not the student ID, so actually probably don't use that. Followed by their email, etc., right? So I can draw from any of those fields. So scholar name, insert merge field, student. Scholar email, insert merge field, sys login ID, which is their email address. And then here, I'm going to do points earned. I'm going to automatically fill in scholars' points for an assignment by inserting merge field and finding that assignment. So this one was exercise fitness log number 7. So I'm going to find that here. Task number 6. Exercise fitness log 6. Task number 5. And then exercise fitness log number 5. Sorry, phone call. All right, so after I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight this column, and I'm going to center it just because I think it looks nicer. And you can change that depending on how you think it looks later. Final points, we're going to, again, mailings, insert merge field, final points, and then final score, insert merge field, final score. We're going to bold all of those, and we're going to center them as well. So this is what it looks like right now. These little double carets here are going to draw data from the Excel sheet. So we're going to preview the results here. There you go. Now you see Elizabeth Alarcon, whatever her last name is. Sorry about the pronunciation. Final points, final score, right? And as you click through, you'll see everybody's points and scores change based on the Excel sheet exported from your gradebook. The thing about mail merge documents is they don't sync to that Excel sheet. It's a one-time draw. So when you're ready to export your final grades, you'll want to use that finalized Excel sheet with the most recent scores, and then do the same thing. All right. So when you are done, you can click Finish and Merge. Edit individual documents is going to give you one file like this. Give it a second. Right now it's 1 page, but then it turns to 5 pages and then 10 pages, and then pretty soon you'll have a document with 50 pages for every single kid that you have. So you'll see here, that it keeps growing this number of pages until the mail merge is complete. And then you can go ahead and save that to PDF, print it out, do whatever you want with it. You can also, of course, go finish and merge and just like send an email to each of these recipients. But that's not what we're looking at. So there's what I did. And if you have any questions, come stop by again. Good luck.